In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Gemini. If you use Gemini on a computer, turning on dark mode is very simple. Open gemini.google.com in your browser, then look near the bottom of the screen for Settings and Help. Click it, and you should see the option to turn dark theme on. Google says your theme choice is saved for the next time you open the Gemini web app on that same browser and device, so you usually only need to do this once. Now, if you're using Gemini on an Android phone or tablet in a browser, the process is a little different. Go to gemini.google.com, tap the menu at the top, then open Settings and Help, and switch dark theme on. Google's help page explains that the web version on mobile has its own dark theme control. So this is the easiest way to make the Gemini website darker while browsing on your device. But if you are using the actual Gemini mobile app, the theme usually follows your device settings instead of having a separate in-app switch. That means if you want Gemini to appear in dark mode, you need to enable dark mode on your phone itself. On Android, Google says you can open your device settings, tap accessibility, then color and motion, and turn dark theme on. Once your device switches to dark mode, the Gemini app should match it automatically. If you are on an iPhone or iPad, the same basic idea applies. Google's Gemini documentation says the Gemini experience on mobile devices can be accessed through the app or the web, and on mobile, the app follows the device's color scheme. So on iPhone or iPad, you would enable dark mode from your Apple device settings, and Gemini should appear in dark mode as well. So the full process is simple. On desktop, open Gemini, go to Settings and Help, and turn on dark theme. On the mobile web version, open the menu, go to Settings and Help, and enable dark theme there. And on the Gemini mobile app, switch your phone or tablet to dark mode in the device settings so the app matches it automatically. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.